Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you another TEMU haul, but today we are kicking it up a bit. We are switching it and I decided to do an Amazon versus TEMU. I love shopping both on Amazon and on TEMU. A lot of you guys are telling me that it's pronounced TEMU. Not sure, but you guys know who I'm talking about. So I decided to place an order for similar items with obviously very different prices, and we're going to compare the quality and everything to see where it's better. So I hope you guys are excited for today's video. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and 99. Takes just 1 second and it shows me that you love my content and you support my channel. And also don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on today's video. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's TEMU versus Amazon. Who is gonna win? I want you guys to predict in the comment section right now. As always, thank you to TEMU for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna be super self-conscious about how I pronounce it now. I am going to figure it out and I will correct myself in the next video. So up first is a very famous tortilla blanket. If you guys don't know what a tortilla is. Sorry you guys, Siri turned on and I wasn't even aware that my desktop had Siri. So anyways, first up is the tortilla blanket. So this one right here is from TEMU, which looks like this. It's a huge blanket. Now you can order different sizes, of course. I had to go with a big one. I'm gonna set up so you guys can see it. So this is the blanket, which is obviously too big to even be on screen. You can wrap yourself up. Look like a nice little burrito, a Mexican, so a burrito of frijoles. Super warm, super cozy. The quality feels really, really nice. Now for Amazon, it actually comes with a little backpack and it says Burritos wrap blanket, which is really cute. And if that's a bonus to you, then that's a bonus to you. For me personally, I'm not gonna use that, so I don't really care. And this is the Amazon blanket. As you can see, it is literally the same thing. This blanket, which is the TEMU blanket, is retailing for $12.08 versus the Amazon, which is $19.99. Same quality, same length, same width, same everything. Like, it doesn't feel any different, you guys. Like, I don't feel the difference in quality at all. So there you have it. Like, not even the material, like not one feels thicker or thinner. It's just same blanket. So up next is a little bit of home decor. So from TEMU, we have here 1-piece artificial plants in plastic pots / greenery. So for $1.98, you get 4 pieces of artificial plants, which you can use to decorate. So this is the first product that we have right here, and it's just a cute little greenery. I am obsessed with greenery. Like, my whole house has fake plants everywhere. I just love the aesthetic of it. This is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And again, these are $1.98 for a 4-piece set, which is so incredible. Like, to me, it doesn't matter that they feel very plasticky, because once I set them down, I am more than likely not going to be moving them around. So for Amazon, I decided to order these. This is like the closest thing that I could find. These are retailing for $9.99, but this is what they look like. So as you can see clearly, they are a lot bigger than the TEMU plastic artificial plant. So this is TEMU and this is Amazon. So there's quite a bit of difference as far as size, if that matters to you, then that matters to you. To me, it doesn't really make a difference. Honestly, both of these together look so cute. I do have to say that the Amazon ones do feel like they are a little bit better quality. The plastic feels the same, but the only difference is that the Amazon ones are stuffed. If you guys can see on the inside, these have some sort of like stuffing on the inside, which makes it heavier, so it feels a little sturdier. And these don't have anything on the inside. These are the TEMU plastic artificial plants, so these don't have anything, which is why they feel a little bit more flimsy. Next up is probably my favorite find, and you guys, if you are a girly girl, or you don't even have to be a girly girl, if you just love decor, you're going to love this find because it is so aesthetically beautiful and it's just such a trendy piece. So let's start with TEMU. Sorry you guys, that's just how I'm going to refer to it until I find out how I say it properly, okay? So from TEMU, I have here a 2-piece donut vase. The quality of these is insane. So I'm sure you guys have seen these all over. They're pretty expensive if you buy them anywhere else. So for my viewers, these are currently retailing for $8.99, but you can get both of these for $2.69. They're beautiful. The quality is amazing, and these are just gonna look so cute in my room. You can either choose to leave them like this, or you can put like pampas, like the ones that I have in the background, and they're gonna look so pretty. So from Amazon, this is the one that I found. This is a small white, what's this called? Just a donut circle vase. And this one I paid $15.99, okay? $15 for one. From TEMU, you're getting two for $2.69. The only real difference between these, let's compare. Amazon does feel a little bit heavier, like a little bit sturdier, and it has kind of like that splattered, so it has a little bit of texture versus this one, it's plain. But I love them both equally, honestly. Now the size, obviously TEMU is a lot bigger, Amazon is a lot smaller, and also the color is a little bit different. This one is more of a true white versus this one, it's more of a cream ivory, but doesn't make really much of a difference to me. Let's move away from home decor and let's bring it to the kitchen. So I've been wanting an electric milk frother for some time. Sometimes I'm in the mood for like iced coffee. I'm more of a hot coffee girl, but a veces I'm just in those moods and I'm like, dang it, I need a frother. Well, bam, I got two. So this one is from Amazon. And then this one is from TEMU. So we are going to test them both out. I am back. I found some batteries and now we're going to test them both. I don't have any creamer. I ran out of my creamer this morning, so I can't test it out with you guys. So again, this is the Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys the way it sounds and looks. So as you can see, it sounds very powerful. The button is very easy to push. TEMU is this one right here. I do want to note that the TEMU has two little spinning wheels, two coils at the end. This one froths a lot slower. And the button is just, you have to push a little bit harder, so. The next item is something that I've had on my Amazon list for a long time and I've just never bought it. So from TEMU, I have the 5-piece clear plastic juice container for $5.49. I still have it in my little TEMU bag. And this is what they look like. So literally what they are is just juice containers. You can use them for whatever you like, water, juice, Kool-Aid, flavored, whatever you want. Literally, it's up to you, whatever you want to use them. So again, 5 pieces for $5.49. Now from Amazon, I found a 12-piece, 12-ounce plastic juice bottles, and these were $16.99. Mind you, you do get a ton more for a higher price. And then these also came with like little stickers like this, which I thought was pretty cute and it comes in handy. It also came with a funnel, which I think was pretty clever. And it also came with a little scrubber because these would be really hard to clean unless you're a mom of a newborn. You more than likely don't have like a bottle cleaner. So the fact that they included something like this is so nice. So Amazon. And on the right here, we have TEMU. So honestly, they are exactly the same. And the last item is another kitchen gadget, which this one we will try it out. So we have here a vegetable chopper. This is another one of those items that I've been wanting for so long because it would just make my life so much easier. But I just never bought it because I'm like, I don't want to spend $20, but here we are. So here we have the Amazon vegetable chopper, and this is what it looks like. This is how it came in the box. Now this one is the lowest price in 30 days is $19.77, but the list price is $29.99. So $30 is what you would pay for this. This is the actual product itself, which you can interchange these. Here are the little shredders, and here are the little cube trays and the little egg white separator. And of course, you get a manual on how to use it. And it comes with this. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure we can figure it out. So that is what it looks like. You'd simply put it on the top, change this out, and chop your veggies. Now from TEMU, this one is for $7.59. It also comes with an instruction kit. It comes with a hand protector, so if you're slicing potatoes or onions, you know, you can protect your fingers. This one as well comes with an egg white separator, if that's what it's called. You get 4 of these little slicers. It also comes with 2 of the little cubes, so same as Amazon. It also comes with this little claw clip looking thing, which is again same like Amazon. Then here's the little basket, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and there you have it. This is the TEMU. Again, very, very similar. So here we have Amazon, here we have TEMU. I have some jalapenos, some tomatoes, and some onions. We're going to test them out. So let's cut up a tomato, and we are going to see how they dice. Now, mind you, this is the first time I've ever tried any device like this. So I'm gonna put the tomato down like this. And again, this is the Amazon side. I'm gonna go ahead and push it. Okay, and here we have it. So they're diced tomatoes, pretty big chunks. Now let's try the TEMU side. So again, the tomato face down. This is already put in place. That was much easier for some reason. Oh, but it didn't go all the way. This one is not pushing the tomato all the way in. For some reason, it's just getting stuck on here. We were able to get this to work and the tomato went through. You just have to push it a little bit harder, so a little extra elbow grease, but nonetheless, it did the work. It cut the tomatoes, and the sizes are pretty much the same. As you can see, they're pretty big diced tomatoes. So let's go ahead and change it for the smaller size. Actually, for the smaller size. I just had a mishap. I cut my finger on this blade, so be extremely careful because these are pretty sharp. I'm gonna take a little piece of an onion, and again, we're using the small cube. As you can see, that went right through, which means this is very, very sharp. So again, be careful so you don't cut or nick yourself. And this is how it cuts the onions. So pretty small. Now let's try the TEMU. Okay, so again, TEMU. This one is just not quite as sharp, and you do have to use a little extra elbow grease. And as you can see, it does tend to stick a lot. So it went through, and again, dies exactly the same. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to look in the description box. I will link everything so you guys can shop for TEMU and use my discount code. So that is it for me. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video.